Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marana YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about why the cylinder liner are generally thinner at bottom than at the top. We also have a thinking that we have seen cylinder liner and all. We all will be thinking that why the cylinder are generally thinner at the bottom when compared to that of top. So main reason is hoop stress on the liner is depend upon gas pressure within cylinder. The hoop stress depend upon gas pressure inside the cylinder. So as the piston progress downwards, gas pressure decreases and comes up, the piston gas pressure increases. So any section of the liner has therefore be strong enough to resist this gas pressure. So this any section of the liner should be strong enough to resist this gas pressure above the top piston ring as the piston ring descends on power stroke. So the cylinder liner any section should be strong enough to resist the gas pressure above top piston ring as piston descends on power stroke. Yes, to the top we will go up. So the piston in the top should be very strong to resist the gas pressure. The liner may therefore be made progressively thinner in section thickness to suit lower gas pressure towards the lower part. Okay, hoop stress of the liner depend upon gas pressure. So as the piston progresses downwards, gas pressure decreases. And any section of liner therefore be made strong enough to resist pressure above top piston ring as piston descends or power stroke. So the liner may be therefore be made progressively thinner in sectional thickness to suit lower gas pressure towards its lower part. Then, by making the liner progressively thinner, the rate of heat transfer from thicker sections is increased to the and heat transfer flows downwards the thinner section, which is cooler. Both by reasons, gas temperature and thinner section transfer heat more easily to cooling water. Okay. By making the liner progressively thinner at the downward, the rate of heat transfer from the thicker section is increased as heat flows downward to the thinner section, which is cooler. So one is hoop stress and another one is our general heat temperature property. From the thicker rate of heat transfer from the thicker section, it will flow to the cooler area, that is on the lower part. So both by reasons of gas temperature and thinner section transfer heat more easily to the cooling water. These are the main reason. The two reasons are the reason so that why liner are made progressively thinner at bottom than when compared to the top. Here we can see a cylinder liner. Here top will be much more thick when compared to bottom. It is thin. These are some of things. Thank you.